Hey, this is Mark Michael here. What I want to do in this short video is give you some more valuable information on how you can improve your email marketing. I hope you got some valuable information out of this quick presentation on email marketing. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My contact information will be below. Have a great day and feel free to click the link in the video description to get more information.